Hippity hop hop, Easter's on its way, and I'm making the famous super easy bunny cake. I think this cake is a tradition among a lot of families. It's the perfect thing to do with your kids. What I love about it is that it starts with a box cake mix, and you're gonna prepare it according to the package directions and bake it in 2 9-inch baking pans, which I've done here. You're gonna build it on the tray in which you're gonna serve it. So I'm gonna lay out a little bit of parchment. I'm gonna start by taking one of the rounds and placing it in the center just a little bit south. Then you're gonna take this remaining round and watch the magic happen. So we're gonna cut this way and this way. What we're left with are 2 ears and a bow tie. Now to ice it, we're just using plain white frosting. You can either make your own or use store-bought. I double up on the frosting because I just find it's easier to have a little more than you need. This cake also has sweetened coconut, which is going to be like the bunny's fur. I find that a lot of kids, mainly mine, don't love all the coconut. So I feel like I might not put coconut on the whole thing. And with egg prices the way they are, this might take the place of your Easter egg dyeing this year. You'll notice it's not perfect, but that's okay. That is where the coconut does come in handy because it's going to cover up the icing, so the icing does not have to be perfectly smooth by any means. I'm going to leave some spots without coconut for my kids. Now for the ears, it's gonna be cute. Don't feel like you have to limit yourself to exactly the toppings and things the recipe calls for. Get creative, make this fun. I'm gonna make the bow tie now. Voila. She did it, folks. She did it. I definitely think this is something you should try with your kids. It's easy, it's fun, it's affordable. You can make this whole cake for less than what it costs for a couple dozen eggs. I hope you'll give this cake a try, and when you do, send us your pics. Happy Easter. Happy Easter.